In this video, I'll show you a few upselling plugins to help you boost your online revenue and increase your average order value in just a few simple steps. So a lot of the plugins I'll be mentioning basically relates to this post here. So I'll leave a link in the description below. So if you just want to click through to each individual plugins mentioned, you can go ahead and do so. So I'll jump straight into it. Okay, so there's a few plugins that will instantly help you boost your revenue and obviously increase your average order value. One of my favorite is basically bundling some of your best selling products or even complementary products. For the stores that we work with, on average we usually see that bundling accounts for 30% of their revenue, and it's the same case with us here as well. For us, bundling our products actually equates to close to 50% of our revenues. Having a product bundle is one of my first recommendation, and I'll quickly show you how you can do that in a second. Okay, so the first product I'll be mentioning is the WooSuite product bundle, and the reason for this is it's almost like a 3-in-1 plugin, because with this plugin you can create product bundles, you can create product upsell, you can create frequently bought items, and you can also create a volume discount, which is huge. Okay, so to get this plugin, just head over to WooSuite.com and then go ahead and select WooSuite product bundle. I'll leave a link in the description as well. So all the plugins that I've mentioned, I'll leave a link in the description. So I'll just quickly show you how this plugin works. So we'll navigate to WooSuite and then product bundles. Okay, so this is just a general settings area, and I'll show you what these mean in a second. So let's just navigate to the product page, and I'll show you a product bundle that I've recently created. Okay, so we've got this Mother's Day product bundle. Okay, and then here you can see we've got all these items within the product bundle. And if the user purchases this bundle, here we can see that they're saving a whopping $379. Okay, but one of the cool things, again with this plugin, is let's say, for example, I go on this rustic item. Here we've got an upsell. So this is what this option means here. So when we enable the product bundle upsell, so here we're displaying the upsell to let customers know that if they purchase the Mother's Day bundle, they can get it for this price, and it's letting them know that this product's part of this bundle. We can take it a step further as well. So we can change the upsell design. So currently it's set to the default design. We can select bundled product list, and we can change the word in here as well. So let's go back on this page, and if we refresh it, okay, here we can see that this product is a part of our amazing bundle, and it's showing these items. So we can change the heading as well. So we can say frequently brought together, for example. And if that is the case, so usually you do want to bundle products which are frequently brought together, so that makes sense. So we can change the wording, and we can say frequently brought together, and then we can save changes. So again, this is how you'd actually go ahead and create a frequently brought together option. See, so that looks fine. So the customer has the option to purchase a product individually, or they can purchase it as a bundle. Okay, so I'll quickly show you how I actually created this bundle. So if we go edit and edit this product, so the setup is pretty much similar to any other products that you've created. So we've got a name, description, product image. The main difference here is where it says product data, we want to select bundled product. Okay, and when you select this option, on the left hand side here you'll see bundled products, and then here we can choose how we want to display our product bundle. So we can show it above the fold, or we can show it below the fold. So it's basically two different template design. And then here we can choose the individual products, or we can create a bundle out of a category. So if we selected product category, for example, if I select this category here, it will create a bundle with all the items within this bundle. And then down here, we've got the option to adjust the quantity of each item. So for example, if a customer purchases this bundle, we can say they'll get 4 of this particular item, okay, and then 1 of each of those items. So I'm just gonna X this off for now. So I've created a dedicated video showing you how you can actually set this up. So I won't go into too much detail now, and I'll leave a link to that video as well in the description below. Okay, so the cool thing about this plugin is here we can choose how we want to display the pricing. So we can select a custom price. We can select a price range, meaning it will show the price of the lowest item to the highest item within our bundle. We can combine the price, so it'll add everything up together, or we can select none. And the cool thing about this plugin, as I was mentioning earlier, is we've got the option to create a different bundle price to different user groups. So a lot of our customers sell to wholesalers and retail customers as well. So if you wanted wholesalers to take advantage of this bundle, maybe you want to change the price point a bit. So we'll just click add rule. So here we could select customer, so the customer will get it for $90, and then maybe the wholesalers will get it for let's say $45, for example, right? Okay, then we've got the option to enable the add all to cart. Okay, so the customer can just, with one click of a button, add all the items within the bundle to their basket. Okay, then we've got a few options down here. Again, I'll leave it here. And just know that we've got another video showing you exactly how to create the bundle. Okay, so this would be my first option. For an upsell plugin, this is a great all-in-one plugin. So we've got the product bundling, we've got the frequently brought products, and then there's one other cool feature that this plugin does. Okay, and then we've got the volume-based discount. So just to give you a teaser, here you can see if the customer purchase one item, they basically save nothing, right? So they're paying full price. However, if they purchase 2 of this particular product, here we can see that they're actually saving 8%. And then just to incentivize them some more, we've also informed them that they'll be getting free shipping if they purchase 2 items. And then if they purchase 3, they'll be getting 10% discount. So this is our volume-based bundle. Okay, and to create this, we just click on volume discount here, and then we can just create a new bundle. So we'll just click create bundle. Okay, and then we can choose which product we want to include in this bundle. So previously I've selected all for the other rule that we've got on the site. We can specify a particular category or a particular product as well. So I'm going to set this to all. Yeah, so I won't save this because we've already got another rule which is targeting all products. Okay, here where it says discount options, so if the customer buys 1 item, I personally recommend not giving them a discount. Okay, so they'll be paying full price. And then we can add another option, so if they buy 2 items, we can change the title as well. Okay, so if we want to bundle it, we can say, for example, we can say single, so it's a single item. We can say duo, right, if I can spell it. And then here we can either give them a percentage discount or a fixed discount. So we can say they'll get 10% off if they purchase 2 items. Okay, and then for the subtitle, this is the section where it says how much they've saved. Okay, and we can add a label here as well. So we can say, for example, most popular. And you'll see this in a lot of big stores as well. So here at WooSuite, we work with a lot of different brands. So we work with customers doing a few thousand a month, a few 100,000 a month, hundreds of millions a month. We're bringing these best practices that we've seen with a lot of the customers that we currently work with. Okay, so we can add a third option as well. So if they purchase 3 items, then this time maybe we want to give them, let's say 18%, for example, 18% discount. And then here we can say best value or something like that for the label. Okay, and then we can just give it a name. This is just for internal purposes. Okay, and then the title is this text here. So we could say bundle and save, or we could say something else. Okay, and then we've got the rule priority. So you can set the rule priority. And then if, for example, if you've got a conflicting rule, based on the priority, that rule will trigger, and then you just hit save changes. So again, I've already created a volume-based discount rule, so we won't save this. And another cool thing is if you're using our all-in-one checkout plugin, so let's just open this in a new tab. Okay, so when we enable mini cart, okay, so I think we need the pro version. Okay, so we need to have the pro version active. But you've got the option as well to show the order bump, and you'll have the option as well to show the volume-based discount within the mini cart. Okay, so I'm going to enable this option for now, and I'll quickly show you what I mean. So if we refresh this page, okay, so here we've got our mini cart here, And then here we've got all the items which we've got in our basket. So when you use the all-in-one checkout plugin, you've got the option as well to upsell customers additional offers. So you can show them order bumps, you can show them other types of discounts as well within a cart. Okay, so now we'll move on to my second recommendation, which is our all-in-one checkout plugin. It's currently free, so I think everyone should be using this particular plugin. Maybe I should have started with it. So we just alluded to the mini cart option here. So with the mini cart option, you've got the option to enable a free shipping threshold. So let's say, for example, if a customer spends over $100, which I think, let's say 1,000, because I think we've got the items that we've got in our cart equals to more than 100. So I just want to show you the shipping threshold. So if we click on this here, okay, and since our cart, since our cart actually equals to more than 1,000, here you can see that it's congratulating us that we've got free shipping, and you can customize the wording as well. So on the back end, where is it? Here you can add the threshold, you can add the first message, so you can let them know that they're X amount away from getting free shipping. Okay, and then when they get free shipping, you can add the success message here as well. Okay, so that's the mini cart option. So that's a great way to encourage customers to spend more. You can also enable an order bump as well. So this will require the pro version. So I'm just going to quickly activate it. Okay, so now when we refresh this page, here you can see we've got access to creating order bumps. Okay, and I've already created one. Let's disable this and then we'll create a new order bump. Okay, so we'll just give it a name. Again, it's just for internal purposes. Okay, then we can add a product. Okay, and then here we can add our discount. Okay, so we can specify it by a fixed amount based on the sale price. So percentage discount based on the sale price, fixed amount based on the sale price, or based on the regular price. So what this means is, let's say for example, the regular price is $395, and let's say this item was already on sale. So we can create an additional discount based on the sale price. Personally, I'll just do it on the regular price. Okay, so I'll say a 10% discount. Okay, and we can add multiple products as well. So I'm just going to leave it like this for now. And then we've got the option as well to choose where we want to show this discount. So we can show it above the order summary, below the order summary, payment methods, and so on. So I'm going to show it. Okay, so then the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to configure the condition. So I'm going to say the order total needs to be above, so greater than $100, for example. I must save changes. Okay, and I forgot to actually edit the design of this order bump. So let's go ahead and click on it again. And then let's navigate to this design tab. Okay, then we can add a title here. So this is a product name. So we can say, okay, and then for the CTA, we'll say upgrade my offer. Or we can say, yes, I want this. All right, and for the description, we can say, okay, and then we'll just save changes. Okay, so this offer will show on, this offer will show on a checkout page, and then we can also show it within the mini cart as well. So here we can say enable order bump, and then we can say let's display it at the bottom of the order of the mini cart, and let's show the discount price, and let's allow customers to add the mini cart. Let's allow customers to add the order bump to their basket. Okay, so we can check this out. Okay, so here we've got our order bump displaying in the mini cart option. So again, when you use our suite of plugins, we've coded them to all work together so you can delight customers in a non-salesy way. Okay, and then when we go to the checkout page, here we can see this offer. So again, another thing as well we've used in our all-in-one checkout plugin is, let's say for example, when I edit this checkout page, so currently it's using the Astra theme checkout layout. Okay, but when you select one of our templates, you'll have the option to integrate the order bump as well directly within our template. So just to recap, we've gone through product bundling, we've gone through frequently brought together products, we've also looked at volume-based bundling, and we've also looked at order bump, we've also looked at free shipping, a free shipping promotion, we've also looked at adding promotion to the mini cart page. And now we can go ahead and have a look at a few of these other options, but for the most part we've covered most of them. So post checkout one-click upsell, you can have a look at this particular plugin. We've already gone through order bumps, product recommendation, so more from this category. Yeah, you can also have a look at this option as well. Frequently brought together, we've already gone through that as well. So yeah, you can check out this one-click upsell option by WP Swings, and also you can check out the product recommendation by WooCommerce. Okay, and that brings us to the end of our video. We've gone through a few of the most popular WooCommerce upselling plugins, and hopefully you'll be able to take one or two away and implement it on your WooCommerce store. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And if you've got any questions, leave it in the comment box below.